The general techniques shown in this video will apply to any project with a tight-fitted installation. When installing tight-fitted applications like our dry stack or precision fit, the stones should fit tightly against each other. It's essential that the entire perimeter of each stone be encapsulated with mortar to ensure a good bond. Any installation containing openings, transitions, or penetrations should begin with proper preparation of the wall surface to include code-compliant flashing. For more detailed information on flashing installation, see our flashing video in this series. Most installations also begin with some type of a pre-planning layout of the stone they're about to install. By laying stone out on a floor area and blending some amount of stones from several boxes directly on the floor, decisions are pre-made about the design to enhance visual interest. Some blending may include trimming a few stones to fit. You can use any number of tools, including nippers, a hatchet, a brick hammer, a brick trowel, or a dry concrete blade and an electric circular saw. If your installation contains corners, always begin the installation with outside corners. Notice that each corner piece has a long and a short leg. You should alternate them going up the corner of the wall. When installing inside corners, place stones so that they dovetail together in an alternating pattern. This may require trimming to fit. Inside corners should be completed first before laying flat stones. Once inside corners are installed, work from the inside out with flats. In any exterior installation, the stone should be installed no closer than 4 inches to the final grade, or 2 inches to a hard surface, such as a sidewalk, driveway, etc. The use of a weep screed or some other code-compliant base flashing product is recommended. When installing linear-style stones, choose pieces that ensure vertical joints do not line up. You may occasionally need to trim pieces during installation to achieve this. Horizontal lines should be broken approximately every 6 feet. Use a 4-foot level to keep lines and stones level. Be sure to step back and review your work occasionally. This will allow you to be sure that the effect is looking like you intended it to be. Once your wall surface is prepared, you're ready for your scratch coat of mortar. Follow recommended guidelines to mix the mortar. For more detailed information on mortar techniques, visit the Mortar Techniques section of this video series. Begin by applying approximately a ½ inch of mortar as the scratch coat to the prepared wall. Begin by fully encapsulating the back and perimeter of each stone. Press each piece firmly into the mortar bed with enough pressure to squeeze some mortar out around the edges of the piece. Be sure to strike off the excess material when installing tight-fitted joints. For dry stacked applications, it can't be overstated that it's essential the entire perimeter of each stone be encapsulated with enough mortar to ensure a good bond. Also, be sure to strike any excess mortar that may squeeze out from the pressure during application. This is particularly important in dry stack installations.